We are the company mi-invernadero. We are going to show you how to assemble a polytunnel from the production series T. The polytunnel on the video is the model T6, but the assembly of every polytunnel of the production series is the same. During the assembly, we'll be explaining every detail of the process step by step. You will see it is very easy and anyone can do it. 2 people is enough to build it up. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the boxes, sort out the pieces and check that anyone is missing. Spread them on the ground. Step 2. Piece together the arches and leave them on the ground. Step 3. Once all the arches are completed, assemble the legs to them and let them still remain on the ground. Put on the screws without the nuts so that the arches stay upright. Spread the horizontal bars. Step 4. Put up the first 2 arches and attach them together by the horizontal bars and crossbars, all screwed up by hand, and then they will stay upright. Step 5. Once the first 2 arches have been set up, add on the rest of the arches until they are all set up together to form the whole structure. Step 6. Now square the structure. Help yourself with a string. Measure the length of the diagonals with a string and make sure that both diagonals measure the same so that the polytunnel will be well squared. Step 7. Assemble both ending sides and the doors. Adjust the door to the structure to make sure it can be opened and closed, but remove it after to continue the assembly. Step 8. Sink the attachments to the ground. Step 9. Dig a ditch 8 inches deep around the structure. Step 10. Put the top on the sides first and clip it up to the arch and the door frame. Step 11. Before we cover the structure with a top, it is optional but convenient to put a piece of foam around the arches to keep them from burning the top because of the heat. Cover up the rest of the structure with a big top, starting from one side and making sure you stretch it well so it is well adjusted. Step 12. Then you sink in the ground the black nails about 14 inches from the leg of the side arch towards the door. Attach to them the strings that will pucker the top and adjust it to the side arches. Step 13. Once the top is assembled, bury the lower part of the top left on the sides in the ditch we made. Tense it tight. It is important to fix it well to avoid air coming in and blowing the polytunnel. Step 14. To finish, put the top on the doors and add them to the structure